way to Andhra border.
Yes.
I think this is the NH, right?
Yeah.
We are standing in the middle of the road, underground road.
For the first time ever.
To take this somehow. Wow. Okay guys, so we've been seeing this kind of heaps of tomatoes. I'll show you. A lot of tomatoes. I don't think these are even like, this is good tomato.
Fresh man.
Here is good tomatoes, guys. It's been like put into heaps like this with the garbage.
And there is 3 more right there.
And right there, a lot. Our car is parked there, guys.
I don't know why this much tomato is getting wasted. Actually I felt it very bad. These are spoiled ones. Then we realized actually these are.
And we actually wanted to see if it's spoiled or not. That's why we stopped here and actually checked it, guys. This is really good tomatoes. Really good tomatoes. Look at it.
Fresh.
Oh my god, another one. This is a lot. Guys, these all are fresh tomatoes.
These are much fresh.
Really good. Fresh tomatoes.
Even in the market we won't get these fresh things. And they're just keeping the crop there and this is the result.
I don't know. Well, like, should we ask someone here?
I don't know.
Yeah, definitely.
There is nobody here, so
There is nobody here, guys. This is a highway, so
maybe we can ask near plantation when we stop next time.
yeah. If we find someone, we can definitely ask. Oh my God, this is so painful. Guys, these all are like really fresh tomatoes, really fresh. Okay guys, we are in the balance situation here. Look at you and Rika.
I want to find some other good way, guys. It's a good idea to vlog. Okay, I didn't race this, so.
Lit is also, this is very wobbly.
But it's actually strong, I guess.
Really good, guys. I actually came down faster than, wow, what the, it's echoing inside. Oh my God. Guys, I think this is the NH, right?
Yeah.
We are standing in the middle of the road, underground road.
For the first time ever.
So I think this is the place where water comes from that river. If it filled, I think this will be full of a canal. Like I think this is where the
water there.
yeah. Guys, beautiful lake. I think there's a lot of fishes. Zoe is talking to that person.
You should be
careful of this thing. I think
Lid just poked.
Lid just.
I already poked with one and then I realized about this cactus and
there is another one. Oh wow, there is so much. I love cactus.
They came to fish, but I think they're also having their lunch. So
Oh, nice. So they are working here. How's it?
I don't know. I'm just about to ask.
They agreed they'll show how to fishing. Wow, guys. This is amazing.
Angola, paya. Jara Angola.
Okay, guys.
it's really
Kurala.
Okay, guys.
I think they're having a fight.
Yeah, who will put the first one? Okay, I don't know what is the technique how they will catch the fish in this bottle. So I think this is for floating purpose. Yeah, so they will know where where did they put the flesh. So let's see if the fish will come or not.
good technique, that
Bottle, yeah. Okay, guys. So this is their technique. So, Bhaiya, how many fishes you will get? This is regular here.
ನೀವು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್
Daily.
ಬಂದಿರಾಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಿಡಿದಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Okay, we need a translation.
Very badly. Not every time, but they do come. Say Sunday sometime.
Okay.
And then
ನಾನು ಡ್ರೈವರ್
ಹೌದಾ?
ಯಾವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಸಂಡೇ ರಜೆ
ಇದು ನಿಂಗೆ
ಹತ್ರ
that truck?
Trek?
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೋಡಿ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ
Okay. Okay. भैया इधर टोमेटोस ये डम्ड हो गया. ये क्या है?
ಯಾಕೆ ಹಂಗ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ರೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ
Rate.
Okay. Sales issue only. It's a sales issue. It's just because the rate is less, they are dumping it there.
So like ಯಾರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ವಾ ಅದು?
Free ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
ಫ್ರೀ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಸಾಕಿರೋದು
ಹೌದಾ?
ಕೂಲಿ ಏನು ಬರಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್
What is?
He's saying no coolie and all of that, and the rate is like really low here, so they just like dump the excess ones that come. Yeah.
Oh, that is so bad.
They take it to the market because there's no many people, right? They don't have many people, so they take it to the market and then they don't really get the rate. So
Okay.
the excess they just dump it.
Okay, that's why.
Yeah.
Guys, that's so sad.
Quite sad.
So these are the surplus tomatoes that comes.
This is the
So-
farmers' issues, and they have this much
Quite
issue.
sad.
The farmers having this much
Yeah,
issue.
they find some exporting system. Might be if the rate is not good here, they can export to some other.
Yeah,
They can do
But
the
I think they need to have like a good system
Yeah.
where people collaborate.
Like even we can make these things available in the cities where people are more and there is more slums and all.
There is no.
Yeah, let's see. Okay, guys, so we are going back to our car. Our car is parked right there.
I just washed my shoes.
Uh-huh. And guys, very careful about, you have to actually like see the ground and or you will stamp something unnecessary. I think Trix just did it. Yeah, new shoe.
It's okay.
Look at her face, look at her face.
But it's part of journey.
Yeah, obviously. We almost reached the border of Andhra. We are going to, not almost. So we are going to reach the border, and there is a small market here where there is like, fruits, vegetables, and everything available. There is this auto stand, and we are taking the service road. We are taking that road, and under this path we are going. Guys, we are on the way to Andhra border.
Yes. Let's go.
Karnataka to Andhra, guys. The sky is so beautiful. I think this border areas will be mixed, like both the languages, both the dialects.
It's in Telugu. Yeah, even that green boards, no, it is in that it's written in Telugu. So I think it's almost like nearby
How
border.
did you understand?
I guessed it like this Telugu and Kannada have similar kind of writing style.
You got the message?
Yeah, I got message. Welcome to Geo AP and Telangana. Namaskar. I didn't see any board.
Okay, guys, so we are passing through a concrete road. So as you can see, it is not black, it is grey color. Guys, it is grey. This is small truck next to the NH.
Yes, it's very nice setup. I liked it.
So he is the owner, so let's ask him what all food we have here.
Items ఏమి ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ? First, Shekhar Naidu. His name is Shekhar Naidu.
Okay, so how much years this?
ఎన్ని సంవత్సరాల నుంచి
5 years నుంచి చేస్తాం
5 years. Okay.
This truck is there from last 5 years, guys. In the same place. Every day you come here, you will get it.
నార్మల్ ఫుడ్ ఇంట్లో ఫుడ్ మారే ఇడ్లీ దోశ పొంగల్ వెజిటేబుల్ రైస్ పలావ్ రైస్ పూరి ఇడ్లీ వడ
Okay.
మసాలా వడ
Okay.
He's saying like home food. We have idli, puri.
Okay, so it is all vegetarian. Guys, so first time going inside the food truck. It is so beautiful here. It's such a small setup, but it's everything. Yeah.
Arranged. They have the big stuff for doing all the fries.
All the fries they're cutting here. So we have ordered for Andhra meal. So yeah, she's getting the Andhra meals today.
Okay, first starting with rice. And see, now we can see how the Andhra meals start. They start with rice and then we'll go with curries. Mini meal.
This is a mini meal, guys.
Actually, guys, when we came here, they were like, you should have
Going to take this.
Guys, everyone is
Know
here.
the name of this. What is
Yeah, actually, these Odiyalu we'll get at home. That are made very naturally.
These are artificial,
Yeah,
guys.
these are artificial. These
Ah.
are not homemade. Actually, we should get
Odiyalu.
but
Can we start digging?
I like the shape.
Yeah.
It's a nice snack.
guys, these are not natural, by the way.
Really good, guys. Really nice sambar. Guys, we all are sharing one plate. Obviously, it will, we just need to pay for one.
And there is enough rice also.
Yeah.
I think it's very homely. It's nice.
Okay, how is it? How is it?
Food is even though we don't have much of the varieties, but this sambar, dal, and potato are going well.
Guys, I like the sambar really well.
So we got rasam. Yeah. Oh, you're gonna? I thought she's gonna drink. I will drink and see how it is.
Yeah,
I know
how is
it. That's why I won't get it again. I know
Strategy in food.
This is pepper rasam. There is different kind of variety. I have heard about lot of variety of rasam in Andhra. What other kind of rasam will be there?
How's it? Good. Okay, guys, here's where they peel the garlic. She's peeling the garlic next here.
You can have food.
How do I ask you?
Okay, so ఇక్కడ మీరు పని చేస్తూ ఉంటారా? So she works here from 4 years and which means right from when they started the truck and she starts working here from morning 4 o'clock and then she morning 4 o'clock. So that's so how is the food by the way?
I'm completely.
Okay. Grey hat food.
Yeah.
How is
Guys,
it?
it is so tasty. I love it. I love the sambar the most and the weather.
Oh my god.
This.
Oh, this is deer area, bro. I can see that board in the board about deer passing.
Yes. Okay.
So there will be days here. If we have luck, we'll see.
We'll see.
It's written as a danger also.
Danger. Okay.
It will be night time we can see.
Actually, it's a very beautiful view.
I see mountains, trees,
And even the road is so properly built.
Yeah, guys, see the beautiful curve over here. They just cut out into. That is been. Oh my God. Guys. Yeah, there's kid inside. Happened yesterday night, and the emergency people came quickly and saved the driver and the people who were
Condition
inside.
is very
Emergency people came and took the driver, but the driver is actually spotted.
Oh my God.
Because the front portion is all cracked.
Yeah.
And we thought the lorry was there. The
So
other
guys,
lorry.
so the whole front is gone completely, guys. And if you can see, this is a vehicle. I don't know how this happened. I think everybody who were here yesterday was cleared, right?
Yeah. And these people don't know actually. I thought
I think everyone is stopping here and checking out this place.
what happened and when
Guys, this kid inside, and also I think the I think they moved the vehicle. This is not where it actually is, I guess.
still the vehicle is functioning.
Guys, this is all Honda.
I think it's some transporting track.
Vehicle transporting scooters. There are a lot of inside scooters here.
And there is another. Oh my God! It is
I think
very big crash, guys.
There are new Honda scooters inside, full packed. It's a transportation truck.
Oh my God! There is a tractor which was carrying mangoes, guys. It was carrying mangoes, and it was also got tossed in between these two trucks. Okay, guys. So this is a very dangerous place, as we saw. We can quickly get back to our car. Okay. Yeah. So guys, we just saw the accident which happened just before last night. It was terrible, guys. Be careful, like when you are driving in NH, it's really dangerous. You have to be very careful. I was thinking about the family, the truck driver's family. It was very
for them.
it is like 3 people's life, guys. If there was 3, maybe more than that, people were there inside the
And
truck.
it's on the spot death, and we can understand like how the vehicle got hit. Front car is
A
almost
lot of people got injured, lot of loss. So be careful while driving. Take care of
Think about your family, guys.
And there are danger boards everywhere. When it's mentioned, which means these kind of things, it's
Will-
not the
yeah,
first time.
first time.
It happened a lot
Lot.
of times, and do follow those
Rules,
driving
guys.
rules.
Yeah, and also it's accident, so we can't say anything.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we stopped in the NH in between. We saw a few mangoes here. We stopped our car there.
There are a lot of mangoes here.
Chandura.
So this is Chandura, this is Malagaya.
Neelakaya. And this is 30 rupees per kg and this is 25 rupees per
Okay,
kg.
that's good.
Yeah, it's really cheap here. Actually, since it's rainy season, all the leftover mangoes are sold for cheaper price.
Okay, guys,
So-
their farm is right behind the store. All these are mango trees.
The knife is so sharp. I like the knife.
Oh my god, this is so nice.
This mango.
So sweet. What we are searching for from 3 different kinds of mangoes. I think we got.
This is what we wanted.
Really? What is it? Neelam.
Yeah.
Neelam, the variety.
But before name also she said Neelam. I don't know if it's same kind of breed.
We'll have to keep one piece for Reshma also. That's
Guys, this is the best piece.
Even I need to
I
taste it.
snatched it from Lit. Okay.
Taste it. Okay.
I think we had mango eating experience from home. First time having it from outside.
Like the road is like they just made the road by cutting the mountain into half. Like from the center, they just pulled a road roller. All this road is made like that. Yeah, it is cutting. Yeah, man, look at it, exactly cutting the. And there is another mountain. Wow, it's so beautiful. Yeah, feeling the view. It's so good. It's so good. It's nicer than I thought. I like the longer view than. Oh my god! Just passing that, we saw this. It's amazing. We can see coconut trees out there. We are surrounded by mountains. Wow. Wow, amazing. I didn't know Andhra was this beautiful. Even Rick says saying Andhra this beautiful.
How come you didn't come through this place? Come on. By road, right? Yeah.
So beautiful, guys. It's so green. Everywhere it's green. There is a lot of forest ranges here and like I'll show you guys on the way. There's a lot of forest ranges and it's all green and lot of cultivation. The green is so green. That's it. When we go to Kerala or in Bangalore, wherever it is, the green is like some other type of green. Guys, it's so beautiful to see. I didn't know Andhra was this beautiful. It is so amazing. I'm so thrilled to watch more. Go into more rural places and explore the things and traditions.
Never's editing.
Editing, guys. Guys, the view is so beautiful. The view is more beautiful. I wish I could show you guys somehow. Wow. It's like a filter applied. Shit. Guys, viewing this through the glasses, very beautiful. But I like the, blue and green filter more. But let me try out this for like 5 minutes and give it back. You guys try? Oh. How's it? This is so good.
Telugu మాట్లాడను.
Guys, so good. This is hot weather. This is the perfect.
That's the actual way you should have it, coconut.
So good.
Guys, this is an amazing place. Okay, I'll take you guys. So this is a temple here, an amazing temple, and behind this they have a water tank kind of setup, and I think all the temples have this. And we have a big this is a very old well. It is not being used right now, and there is this field. I think there maybe corn or some other field is there.
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ అన్నది ఏమి లాభం చెప్తే కదా మేము బాధపడుతున్నాం ఇక్కడ ఫోటోలు తీసుకున్నారు కెమెరా తీసుకున్నారు అన్ని తీసుకున్నారు
I didn't taste this. I
Yeah.
think she topped with the.
Yeah, let's give it to Nev.
Yeah. Oh, again.
Yeah.
Yeah, just now I gave. Actually, this masala is really
Really good. You like it?
not that much. Snacks in between editing.
Nice.